What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1965 Mustang. This car has a 289 under the hood, AC compressors hooked up, no power steering on this one, drum brakes all the way around. In this video we're going to be looking for chips, scratches, dents, checking the interior out, listening to the car run, and opening the trunk up. We got close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out. Also have financing and shipping information available as well. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. You can also hit the notification bell if you want to see rides every single day. Starting up here in the front, looking down the side of the car, nice straight lines, very beautiful paint job, new chrome bumper on the front. Grill's nice and clean. It's nice and shiny up under the hood. The fender wells are nice and clean. Same with under the actual hood. This side of the car looks nice and slick as well. All the trim's in good shape. Try to find some flaws here, guys. Looks like the door handles have been replaced. The top on this one looks nice and new as well. Dual exhaust out the back. Make sure the door's shut all the way. Yep, lines up good. We got some chips or wax marks. Those are wax marks. Trying to find something, but this is just a really clean car. A little bit of pitting under this bottom side of the door handle, but that's a new door handle, so. Go ahead and grab the keys out of here. To open the trunk up, circle key. Got the boot. Goes over where the top is. This mat is actually glued down. I can't pull it up. I'd like to, but it's glued down. I'm not going to tear it all up doing it. It's a very solid car. See the weather stripping. Looks new around the trunk lid there. Looking up under this. Make sure it's nice and solid too. Get y'all sideways. Go ahead and check the interior out. See, the back seat looks great. I brought the thermometer because the temp gauge is out on this car. It just maxes out when you cut it on. And I just wanted to make sure it wasn't running hot, and it was not. Hottest point I seen on the thermostat was 190 through that gauge. Go ahead and open it up here. Get y'all on the underside of the door here. Think the horn works? Go ahead and place your bets. Little game we play on this channel. New seat belts on this one. Carpet looks good. We'll go ahead and start it up here. Radio in the glove compartment here. AC, I couldn't get the compressor to cut on. The blower motor's blowing nice and hard. May need to be recharged. Showing 43,000 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind that. Gas gauge does work. Oil pressure came up and the amp gauge comes up, but the temp gauge just maxes itself out pretty much every time you start it. So, horn, you ready? It does work. Let's try our wipers. Wipers work. Good deal. The top on this car is like new. It is a manual top, so I'll have to have help when I get back picking it up. Plus it's got brand new clips on here, so. We'll go ahead and try it real quick. See if I can get it above the clip. Usually you can one hand these Mustang tops. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and try to get some help when we get back. I think it clipped again on the other side, so. Nice quiet motor, running smooth. Hood shuts down nice and easy. There's a chip right up here in the corner of the hood. Alright guys, I'm going to give you some undercarriage shots. Also got close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, as well as financing and shipping information, so please check that out. It'll also give you all of our inventory. All we sell is classic muscle cars here. Some undercarriage shots now. I do appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to get back to the test drive video. You can click on the test drive video the last 30 seconds of this one before we take them down the road, see how they run and drive. We do this on every car up here at Maple Motors. Like I said in the beginning, hit that subscribe button if you want to see videos every day. And also check out maplemotors.com. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.